Miksgrow is an Estonian substrate producer. We have been making substrates for growers all over the world, and all our substrates are based on Estonian raw materials. There are some studies that suggest that by the year 2050, the world substrate consumption will increase 3 times. We have to find raw material to make these substrates.
End of last year, we decided to include wood fiber to our products. It has been quite challenging because horticulture is quite a traditional business and it is very hard to change old habits. But so far it has been worked out pretty well.
For the wood fiber machine, we looked at the energy consumption, result of extrusion, and also the price. And Primetech was the best offer. We were making different trials before the actual installation so that we were making it sure that there will be the best equipment for our need. The installation of the very first wood fiber machine was, of course, very memorable. At first, we were not really sure how and which way it works and how our customers will receive it. And it has proved to be very efficient, and we are very happy with the product that comes out of the machine.
We are able to use Baltic pine, which is widely available over this area. And many tests and trials have proven that Baltic pine is the best tree to make wood fiber.
Wood fiber has very good features. It is better compressible, very lightweight. It is less dependent on weather.
This year we have had extremely bad weather, therefore we haven't been able to harvest the necessary amount of peat. But with more wood fiber we can still produce and supply substrates. Mikskaar future will be definitely substrate producing, continue to expand the wood fiber production.
In 10 years' time, we would like to have most of our substrates made of wood fiber. We have one wood fiber machine working, and we have ordered the next one. Most probably, in order to fulfill this 10-year plan, we have to order more in the future.